Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today I'm going to show you a simple arrangement in this lovely container. Now, we're going to use a pin holder in here, but what I've got essentially a round plastic tray, and the pin holder gives us the perfect vehicle for making a flower arrangement because we don't need to have a big lump of foam which we're having to try and hide with materials. And the materials I've got today are some yellow roses, we've got a few little sunflowers and this beautiful solidago. And what I loved about this was this contrast with the yellow and the blue. It really gives a very striking combination actually. So what we're going to do is we're just going to work our arrangement from this. So I don't really have a set idea, but I know that I don't want to go high, I want to go more low. And what you're better doing with a pin holder is go down onto it and then move your flower. We don't really want to. In fact, this one is a little bit on the thin side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a little bit of our sunflower stem, and we can use that really as like a little prop for that. So what I did was I just pushed this thin stem through that other one. So we're creating a little bit of a triangle really. And now we can have a little look at where we place our flowers. So I love a sunflower with the flowers off it, actually, the petals off it. I think it looks really interesting, and it makes you look twice. Plus with this one, it really has got a nice colour. So I think just us seeing that on top of the water is really interesting. And then we can actually come I'm quite tall, so I'm tending to look down into this, which gives a different angle. But this would really work maybe in all kind of directions. And we're just going to do a little one back here. So now for our roses, what I want to do is I want to just sort out a little bit of greenery first. So we've got the opportunity to just take a little bit of that foliage and use that as a means of hiding our pin holder. So this leaf here is not so good. And yeah, I want to go kind of low again. So really kind of looking at it, we've really got the flowers facing you, but now what I want to do is look at giving them different aspects so that we're seeing a range of different looks with the rose. Now we can do different things with this. I mean, yeah, I think that's nice. And I think probably want to just move that a little bit more this way. And that's us. We've got a simple arrangement, blue and yellow, which gives us something really striking. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. We've shown that you don't need a lot of materials to make an interesting arrangement, and this would look great on a coffee table or on a low dining table. So thank you for watching. If you want to keep up to date with all our videos, then click here to subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.